Ilocanos are not kuripot or stingy, we're just frugal. Sir Sam has moved to say regarding the Ilocano character. He said we are strong and adventurous.
We are also very adventurous because a lot of the forefathers went to Hawaii in search for greener pastures because, as I've said earlier, we don't have much of arable land. So we, in the entire Philippines, we went as far as Davao, in Mindanao, Bukidnon. I remember my aunt teaching there in Bukidnon, and yeah, so we are very adventurous people.
And does he love Ilocano architecture and cuisine?
Yes, because that's what sets us apart from the rest of Filipinos. We have our own identity. I think it's very distinct, and I'm very proud of that. Again, cuisine is part of the culture. We have a very distinct cuisine, very fresh because we gathered what is available practically in the backyard. And so my friends in Manila, when I was a new transplant there, they said, para daw tayong mga kambing because we eat anything green, which is very true. Yan ang tabtaba, which is a lichen, nandyan ang patpatayok na you can see in the forest. You can forage anything green there basically. And there's a lot of things that we eat that they're not even familiar with, and that's I think that's a good thing. And they even kidded me that if there's a big war, we won't go hungry because we know what to look for when we are in the forest.
He is really proud to be an Ilocano.
I am proud to be an Ilocano, and I think that's a big selling point. I'm very much involved in tourism, and there is a big potential in earning a lot of money, creating jobs for kids like you. And why would they come to Ilocos? Because they want to experience, aside from the nice beaches that we have, they come to see the architecture, and we have World Heritage, as you very well know. The Poway Church is one of 4 churches that is listed in the UNESCO World Heritage, and they come for our cuisine and all that. That's why we have to keep on promoting everything that is Ilocano, which makes us very unique, and that's what people come here for.
Is it true that he is the one who came up with pinakbet pizza?
Yeah. I thought of maybe reinventing or reconfiguring or I'm in search of a word that would best describe what came to mind. I guess it's out there, but what I wanted to do is to showcase Ilocano cuisine in different light. And pinakbet has become very universal. Even the Kapampangans claim it to be their own, which is not so. It's ours, which will become more palatable to non-pinakbet eaters, and there's quite a few out there. And even children now of Ilocano heritage that don't like vegetables. But when it is used as a topping in our pizzas, they like it. They say, well, this is not vegetable, it's a pizza. So that sort of thing. And a lot of people, we thought that people will not like it. They think that it is weird, but once they taste it, they really like it. Yeah. And then don't forget, we have the Poke Poke pizza.
Yeah,
it's also,
I love it.
becoming very popular.
Yeah.
In the past, Ilocos Norte had muted celebration. Suddenly, Ilocos Norte's first Aria Festival was born, and it made a big noise. Mr. Sam is one of the brains behind it.
True. We are a major tourist destination, but in order for us to compete and to attract more tourists, there has to be a festival that really would conjure a particular image. Like Panagbenga in Baguio. When you hear the word Panagbenga, it's flowers. When you hear Sinulog, it's about Santorini. That sort of thing. Mascara, obvious, it's mascara. So I thought, yeah, why not Aria? Because we celebrate, in a way we celebrate death. Kasi when someone crosses over, we have so many traditions that we follow.
Ferdinand Marcos Jr. approved the construction for the International Convention Center in Poway, which is better known now as Plaza del Norte, where seminar workshops are being held. To name a few, we have the first One Luna Festival, dubbed as Looking for Johnny Moon. It had the purpose of looking for a new breed of Ilocanos who were into multimedia art. In fact, our moderator and coach won the first place in script writing. One of the lecturers was the famous director Soxy Tapasio.
The province is on the economic map too, because of our newfound dragon fruit which originated in Taiwan. The dragon fruit farms flourishing in different parts of Luwag City and Ilocos Norte, a new name has been tagged to Ilocos Norte, the dragon fruit capital of the Philippines.